Hey, my name is Vivian.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
And we set out to create a comfortable, effective, everyday face mask. We've tested a lot of current masks in the market, and we found a couple of key problems: breathability, fit, and comfort. Each of them separately would make it very difficult to wear it for an extended period of time. And we found that bandanas can only protect up to 20% of the aerosol particles, whereas a much more well-conformed mask will filter up to 80–90%. Another important feature of this mask is the filter component that we use. We use the highest grade of nanofiltration membrane, which conforms to EN 143 standards in terms of its breathability and dust holding capacity. In a test against PM 2.5 aerosol particles, it retains up to 99% of the particulate matter. I'm co-founder and CEO of Vix Technologies. We're a San Francisco-based biotech and materials science startup. We're also located in the design district of downtown San Francisco, and that's how we met Rebecca to, in the beginning, seek help with the mask project.
I own DAD Sewing House in San Francisco. We are a sewing manufacturer and contractor located in the design district of San Francisco. Vivian came to my facility seeking help in developing a mask that would essentially support and enhance the nanofilter. We quickly decided that the most efficient way that either one of us could help and support the shortage of masks during this time was to come together. We then developed a distribution model that would offer everyday users a premium protective mask while simultaneously supporting someone in need. Which is how we came into the Buy One Give One initiative that we're launching. We're calling it the Good Mask, and for every mask purchased, we're donating one to someone in need. We are initially prioritizing first responders and essential workers, such as grocery store clerks, delivery couriers, fire, police departments, and generally people who are putting themselves at risk daily to help others. Another component that we really tried to work on was the ability to speak and be heard, as well as still have some protection through our filtration and through our mask. So as you can see, I'm wearing the mask and you can hear me clearly. We used a power mesh cutout right here, and which is what we have as an insert. And that's how we are able to speak freely, but also when you put the filter in, then you have the filtration as well.
A lot of our team have backgrounds in nanotech engineering as well as chemical synthesis, and our original idea was to use electrospinning, which is a method to create a nanofiber. That technique has been used by our company since 2015. Since then, we have been working on various types of projects using biopolymers to engineer different solutions that would be more sustainable. For this use case, we are using a recyclable membrane. To us, that is better than the other materials that are out there, and because of the reusability of the outer shell and the lifetime of the filtration component, we wanted to create a product that would follow in our philosophy of reuse and recycle. We're at the stage where we've completed our V3 that's ready to go out to consumers. In order to reach our next stage of goals, we need to further commit to purchasing the right equipment and scale up our productions. In order to do so, we need your help. Our goal is to be able to service everybody's need in our community, as well as to be able to give back during this time. So our goal is to get 40,000 masks into the community in the next 2 months. By backing this campaign, you'll be one of the first to receive an O2 Nano Mask, which will provide breathability and comfort along with high performance.
Thank you for supporting our campaign. Thank you for learning about O2 Nano Mask. We hope that you join us on our journey.
In studio or on a stage like this, every musician has to be able to hear themselves in order to perform on pitch and in time. Now today, there's lots of different ways that musicians do that. Many venues, all they provide are simple wedges or speakers pointing up at the musician.
But if you have the budget, Big-time artists and venues are using wireless in-ear monitoring systems with belt pack receivers like these. But these cost over $1,000 per musician, and they still have problems.
Audiofusion provides better sound quality at a fraction of the cost using the laptops and smartphones the musicians already own. Here you can see each member of the band is wearing in-ear monitors, and with Audiofusion, they are receiving their mix wirelessly through their iPhone or iPad. As the band goes through their sound check, they don't have to make any hand gestures or try to get the attention of the sound engineer. All they have to do is pull out their phone, make some adjustments, and they've got everything they need right in their back pocket. In fact, even during a performance, quick adjustments are right at hand.
But music is universal, and every musician on every stage, at every level, has to be able to hear what they need to deliver a confident performance that transcends the moment. But the solutions available today are expensive and difficult for musicians to use. And that's what inspired me to invest over 7 years building this company and patenting the technology.
We released Performer back in 2018 for iOS devices, and since then, we've added features and made all kinds of improvements for our Apple customers. Now we need your help to make Performer available for Android users as well. With Audiofusion, we put the power of the music back in your hands. Thank you for your support.
Introducing Jammy Evo, a portable and affordable MIDI controller for guitar-minded people. With Jammy Evo, you will play this, this, and even this, without the need to learn piano. Jammy Evo will help you translate your guitar playing skills into full-fledged music production. We've achieved initial success with the original Jammy guitar, a collapsible creative tool loved by professional musicians and bedroom producers alike. Now, it's time to evolve with the new Jammy Evo. Connect it to your mobile music-making apps via Bluetooth or plug it in via USB to use it with any digital audio workstation. A dedicated plugin will allow you to control the Jammy's behavior straight from your DAW, changing presets, tunings, and adjusting Jammy Evo to your needs. With smart frets that read the position of your fingers and 2 sets of optical sensors on each string, Jammy Evo is optimized for polyphonic tracking with minimal latency. An extended set of MIDI mappable controls, including a built-in accelerometer, will empower you with multidimensional expressiveness. Jammy Evo sports an adjustable frame design, so it is more ergonomic and takes up even less space when disassembled. Lastly, by popular demand, the new Jammy Evo will also come left-handed.
Hi. We are asking for your support, not only because we need funds to kickstart the serial production of Jammy Evo. We believe that music can bring the relief so much needed in troubling times like this. If you share this belief, we are in it together.
Since the very early days of Jammy, our work has been fueled by ideas and feedback of guitar players like you. We'd like you to join us in our work on Jammy Evo, so that your ideas can shape the evolution of guitar-minded music making.
Support Jammy Evo and we will evolve together.
Join the evolution now by supporting us on Kickstarter and pledging your Jammy Evo today.